The BMW R 1300 RS is a new sports tourer with a boxer engine, refined technology and design, offering an even more dynamic riding experience. The big boxer sport tourer returns with more power, more torque, more style, new technology and new options that allow every rider to adapt the extremely well-balanced R 1300 RS to their own specific wishes and needs. In addition to its more aggressive, sportier design, equipment features such as the performance variant with sport suspension, short, hand levers, milled and adjustable footrests, DTC shift, 2 additional sports displays, sport seat, engine spoiler and sports tires allow customers to further increase the dynamic potential of the motorcycle. At the same time, the BMW R 1300 RS remains a capable companion for everyday use and touring, and with options such as seat heating, riding assistant, a higher windshield and various luggage options, the motorcycle can be perfectly adapted to these individual needs. Accordingly, the ergonomic triangle formed by the handlebars, footrests and seat of the new R 1300 is designed to position the rider significantly further forward in relation to the front wheel, thanks to the slightly rearward-positioned footrests and a flatter handlebar. BMW Motorrad designers placed particular emphasis on optimum accessibility and a low seat height. That is why, in the development of the new R 1300 RS, special emphasis was placed on achieving a seat height of 31.1 inches. In addition to the standard seat, the following are available as individual optional extras. The boxer engine in the new BMW R 1300 RS has a full 1,300 cubic centimeters displacement and a stroke of 106.5 mm x 73 mm. Predecessor, 102.5 mm x 76 mm. This increase in capacity is due to the enlarged cylinder bore and the new crankshaft with reduced stroke. It has an output of 145 horsepower, predecessor, 136 horsepower, at 7,750 rpm and a maximum torque of 110 lb-ft at 6,500 rpm, predecessor, 105 lb-ft at 6,250 rpm, making it the most powerful series production BMW boxer engine to date. The maximum engine speed is 9,000 rpm. The increased power and torque output make the new R 1300 RS more powerful and dynamic than ever before, combining enormous pulling power with impressive peak output. This applies to driving pleasure both on your own and with a passenger, whether on sporty rides on winding roads or on tours. It was also possible to optimize efficiency. Despite offering significantly more power and torque, the new BMW R 1300 RS does not consume more fuel than its predecessor. The boxer engine also sets standards in terms of running smoothness, offering a more direct response to throttle valve commands thanks to the reduction of load reversals in the powertrain. The ideal alignment between engine and chassis also ensures an exemplary vibration response. The boxer engine in the new R 1300 RS uses an air/liquid cooling system in which the coolant flows through engine elements subject to particular thermal stress, such as the cylinder heads. Other features retained include vertical flow cylinder heads, variable oil inlet, effective piston crown cooling and DOHC valve gear with lightweight cam followers. In the new boxer engine, 2 camshafts are driven on each side of the cylinder by a timing chain that runs over both camshafts, each from a reduction gear. On the right side, the drive is located at the front of the cylinder, while on the left side, the timing chain channel is arranged behind the cylinder. In addition, the engine in the new BMW R 1300 RS features the tried and tested NOx sensor system and BMSO engine management for highly efficient combustion. The new boxer engine compresses the fuel-air mixture to 13.3:1, predecessor, 12.5:1. The increase in power and torque with high efficiency is also due to the recalculated timing and larger valve diameters. These now measure 44 mm instead of 40 mm on the intake side and 35.6 mm instead of 34 mm on the exhaust side. The 6-speed transmission and clutch are integrated into the engine housing, underneath the engine rather than at the rear. The advantages of this new arrangement lie in the reduced overall length and improved packaging and weight balance, thanks to the significantly shorter transmission shafts, compared to the 1,250 cubic centimeters power unit of the previous models, a weight saving of 8.6 pounds. for the basic engine and 14.3 pounds for the entire powertrain was achieved. At the same time, the mass is concentrated further towards the overall center of gravity, resulting in improved road-holding qualities. As before, power is sent to the 6-speed transmission via a 10-disc wet clutch with a self-reinforcing anti-hopping mechanism. Output is provided via 2 spur gears, one with an integrated vibration damper.